Saw-scaled vipers are relatively small, with a stout body, usually measuring 12 to 30 inches, 31 to 76 centimeters in length. Their name comes from the saw-like scales along their bodies, which they rub together to produce a rasping, hissing sound as a warning. The inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake, is a venomous snake native to Australia's semi-arid Central East regions. It's considered the most toxic land snake in the world, with enough venom in a single bite to kill 100 humans. Appearance and size. Black mambas have coffin-shaped heads and can grow up to 14 feet long, though they average around 8.2 feet. They're Africa's longest venomous snake and can slither at speeds of up to 12.5 miles per hour.